if I could get curl to work. I did the static library C++ drop, and then I modified my CMake files in one of my projects and cloned them and cleaned them. And these are the libraries. It doesn't have a zlib that's inside the project, so I'm just hoping it just works. So I have the not the Amazon device, the other device. That device is 19 with the exclamation, a warning. Let's see, I'm trying to see if we can get the other device paired here. The API level 21 device. It's a tablet slash phone. So I have to go into, I'm going into the devices stuff, the developer options. There's big debugging. Can't see the whole screen because the camera phone is in front of me. Okay, let's see. So those are my connected devices. I keep forgetting how to do all this. It's kind of funny. Is it because the power isn't connected, or is it because... No, the power is connected. Shouldn't touch this. It's like sitting on top of each other. That's the problem. So we are going to have to use the kombucha bottle for this. Okay. So how would I... Just because it's charging doesn't mean it's... And does it have wireless? Enable Wi-Fi verbose login. So it passes the Android see curl success. I wrote a curl function, a really testy one. I just said go and fetch me my GitHub page, a sample of some code, and just let's try to print out the sample, because right now we're just testing if it works on newer Android, like API 30 level. And then I think we have to switch the project over. We have to get back to where does it put this? The read buffer? What is the read buffer? Oh, okay, it's a string. Okay, so this read buffer. Yeah, let's do what this was trying to do. Let's print out 100 characters out of the read buffer. Response snippets. Let's run that on the test device. go look at this for a second. Yeah, this is set to API level 21, so we should be able to support like 95% of the devices. It should be just spamming what it's getting back. Yeah, I see a bunch of HTML. Let's just stop that for, because it's just like really abusing the device's internet. Make it see. We made a viewport HTML document snippet. Cool. So it works in the newer device. That's what I was afraid of. It wasn't going to work on the newer device, not the older. Now we need to test the older. So in the older device, the other prefab curl didn't work. What if I disable again Wi-Fi? I mean, USB debugging. Re-enable it. Because what we should get is this guy. PLG. We got the Dragon, we got the Soho. Soho is 19. And I do have a way to develop for him. But he's not going to be able to run game activity unless we like recode game activity somehow, which is like crazy. Probably not a good idea. It's better to release the app, have it running, make money, and then do that for fun. Because they're not supposed to. Google will be like, what are you doing? Let me see. I think I have to go into, oh no, I am in settings. There's no other way to enable this. Unless, I don't know, let's try pulling out the cable. It's charging it, but it's not. It should have this like whole pop-up. Alright, alright, there it is. Verizon, it's a Verizon thinger. CDMA phone. It should go away and then the device should come. It does this really weird boot looper. Yeah, it's like, I want you to install this crazy driver. And it's like, no, I don't. I don't know what this is. Alright, and then it goes away. And then it pops up with this. There it is. Yeah, some devices have different. And there we got the catalog on it. Okay, let's try to push this app onto it. And later, I guess I can just recode it all from this app, make a copy of this app, and then inject that app out. It's going to be a mess, right? Or I could just rename the other app, get the signature. Either way, I think the signature is going to be different. I might have to redo the signature no matter what. Okay, the application can't be installed due to unknown failure. Okay, let's make sure it's still here. Okay, it's still here. I don't know, I forget which command is to delete the screenshot. Oh yeah, S is the thing. Screenshot is just called screen. To show the screen, you can't see the screen. Just screen then? I don't know. I did something wrong. It saved it. These are two different commands, actually. So one is execute out, and the other one is shell. So this is how it looks like. But is that the resolution? 1920 by 1080. According to this, yeah, 1200. That's the tablet's resolution. That's better than the monitor that I'm using. But all right, why currently install? Yeah, I mean this project while I was doing other stuff. But usually that's how it works out, but for some reason you just alternatively try it for a little while after you've tried it a million times. Where did it put it? They told me. It was like... It tells you where it was once it fails to push it. Alright, it's in intermediates. And then we gotta do this. We gotta delete the old one. I have to do an override. Because it already has the same project. So I infer what test on me. Style file already exists. Oh, it knows the name of it. Somehow. I guess it was inside the error. It wasn't in here. How did it know the name of it? Oh, because of this. Because of the Gradle file. Install it. Did a thing, but let's get ready to take a screenshot of this shit. Can we control it here? I believe not. Yeah, if it doesn't pop up here, can't do it. There is a way, like if I install Rust disk on it, it's possible. It's asking me if I want to revoke all USB. It's like, what the fuck? I have to be really careful when I click on shit too. This is the other app. This is an older version. Well, we could see the frame rate here changing. See how like it's different. It's just bigger. It's just a lot bigger in terms of the frame size. And this is like the test. It's like, oh great. How do I get out? I'll just tell it to launch. ADB launch understand what I want. Answer now. There's an answer now thing. You have a few typos. Yeah. Shell P monkey category launcher DOS. Option 2 the specific method. There's different methods. Or stop. But we need to add this. Won't work. It'll just say, I don't know what device you want. You have multiple devices, it's like just a headache to use DVD. Just download the screenshot just to get that out of the way. Alright. So let's see if it has curl. I don't know if catalog is working. Oh yeah, it is. It's downloading for sure. So now it works. So I got in the thing that I needed to get to work. How do we kill this? Stop, because it's just, it's gonna ban my IP and get out of it. It's just sitting there in a little get URL. Okay, see if this stops it. Okay, that did. Alright, get back to what we're doing. The thing is about this, it doesn't yet have the, it does have the billing. It doesn't yet have the APG or whatever. Sign in with Google Games, Google Play Games. My other one has it. And it also has the fucking crazy ass Gemini, I believe. I don't know if I need the Gemini. That's always fun to implement. Let me see. Is this the Gemini version? Like there's like a folder. Okay, this is the one I just cloned. This is the one, yeah, with friends. This is the one with game activity. Let's see. Yeah, native wrappers. Notification channel. I don't even know if I need the GI. I hope I don't. But I would have to regenerate it. You have to do this fucking command. It generates these files from native ads handler. There's an ads thing that doesn't do anything. Multiplayer game networking. It's like one of the things we want to get working soon. Okay, this is the play games thing. One of these code bases works. I don't know the keys right there, but it's cut off. It'll probably change. Oh. Additional scopes. Oh, this is where the additional scopes comes in. I don't know if this is the thing it calls though. In order to run this, I have to delete shit, delete the other app, and I don't even have this in my assets on the other one. Or do I? Let me copy this, or at least attempt to. And this has also OB paste. Sure, whatever. What if I just hit OK? I don't want to open this in editor. You just Why did it? I need it to be in assets. I don't need to look at it. I know it's in there. There's a bunch of weird garbage. Okay, edit in assets. I'm surprised it worked without verifying. Alright, so I kind of fixed the loading. It was an issue with the order of things being put in. So this stupid triangle's in the way, but now we have a loader bar. The thing I know about now is the order matters of what we put in there. I can't just change the C for some reason. Maybe I can if I enable depth testing. So this should be a little bit simpler. We're going to work a little bit on the loading menu and then go to main menu. Going to make the width 0.2. Just do the simplest thing first. I need to update the shader. Should have been a thing that popped up right here. What's this thing? that thing is when it got there. Let's get rid of it real quick. Yeah, that's what it added. For some reason it ended up over here. Now it ended up over here. It's kind of good. I have to change the fragment shader though. Let's see what it looks like here. It's called a 256 text renderer. I think it'd be easier to just add game activity into this. Changing the name though is painfully painful. And these buttons, the fact that they didn't fix that is stupid. I don't see it either. So let's change the shader. First, let's try to fix the shader. Yeah, I need to start moving things out of this file really soon. Because it's like render is like bulk global name for all the code. It's good in a way. It helps organize. And it helps this organize. It'll just get too big and it'll just be garbage. That's what it really gives you. It's like if I need to access the shader, I have to go into this file and if I need to do something else. Alright, this is where we should land. The code should be practically the same as this. First, let's add this. First, let's fix the quad 1. Don't worry about quad 2. And instead of frag color, it's add color. I think we could make it actually GL frag color. But that would require to rebuild the shader a little bit. Yeah, I should have been a lot more careful. There's some more stupid stuff. this work? This might not work. It's a lot of control. I don't think it's GL position. Oh, this is how it would look like. It's different. Yeah, the gamepad doesn't need to show, but that's good that it's actually on there. 500 FPS. I think it's not changing that 0. But this thing, and this one, geo position, okay, it's there. It should be behind the 0, but it's not changing the color. Why not? Should statically set the color. Maybe it's this forming a little bit. I doubt it. I think it's something fundamentally wrong. No, it's still stupid. I know we're getting the texture. I need to render a sprite box soon. It's as if it's not. Getting the quad ID right. I mean type. Okay, puts this type in. It's the W parameter for attribute. There's the W. Red, blue. So it should look pink. Let's change the color because some of the crap look blue. I think it's the vertex shader. That's weird. I kind of mess with the precision. I guess it's not that precise. But like 40,000, like, shouldn't be off by that much. See that card then, okay. So we have to like really test the shaders here. That's like nice. I forget which one of these it was. That doesn't look the same though. Yeah, it's supposed to be like a greenish. Maybe it was this line of code? It was the longer line, basically. What was this one? Oh, this is the goodness. Alright, that looks similar now. The text shader is a little different. For some reason the circle here gets... It doesn't look like this on screen actually. Yeah, it looks like better on screen. For some reason here you see these scans there. That 0 is stupid. It's a space that I messed up on. It's not really 500. There is a way to make the FPS go even higher, but there's no point to going over 60. So it's pretty optimized. Oh, what we have to do is let's get rid of this. To make sure a lot of these stupid little dumb bugs aren't there, and they just cause very big headaches later of how to fix them. I don't like these numbers, but I think that's what I could do. Turned it into a teal color.